Hello, welcome back guys to Amalia Projects here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to remove Google Play Store search history on Android. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bell button to support the channel. And without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, firstly of course you just have to open your Google Play Store. And now this is my search history guys. If you want to remove it, here you just have to go to your account at the top right in the corner. You just have to scroll it down and go ahead to this settings options. Now tap on this general. At the first, we'll see here the account and device preferences. Just go ahead and tap on it. After scrolling down again until we found out here the option which is clear device search history. Now tap on it and clear history. There are an information at the bottom, so we have to check it first at the search bar like before. There are no again for the search history at the bottom guys. So yeah, I think it's enough from me. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.